In this tutorial, we'll show you how to find recipes that meet your client's needs. Click on the Recipes tab at the top of the page. This will bring you to our recipe gallery where you can browse thousands of recipes. All of these recipes are designed, developed, and tested by our team of recipe developers here at That Clean Life. And we add new recipes regularly so that you never run out of inspiration. The recipes are sorted by date added, so you will always find the newest recipes at the top of the gallery. To find what you are looking for, select the Filters button. These advanced filters allow you to search for meals based on all sorts of criteria. You can find recipes based on the time it takes to make or the number of ingredients. For example, you can move the slider to find recipes that contain no more than 7 ingredients and take no longer than 15 minutes to make. Next, you can filter meals based on tags. Tags include free from tags to exclude common ingredients like gluten-free, soy-free, and seafood-free. Mealtime tags like breakfast, snack, and dinner. Cooking appliances like slow cooker, pressure cooker, or barbecue. And culturally inspired tags like African, Latin, Indian, Caribbean, Asian, and Middle Eastern, as well as many other types of tags. You can apply as many tags as you need to further reduce your search results. So, for example, let's say you're looking for breakfast recipes that are egg-free and take less than 15 minutes to make. You can quickly apply those 3 filters to find meals that match those requirements. Next, you can search for meals based on ingredients you want to include. You can also search for meals based on ingredients you want to exclude. The suggestions toggle allows you to save time by suggesting tags you might not know exist. For example, if my client is allergic to tomatoes, I might start to enter every tomato ingredient within the Exclude Ingredients field. Once I've selected more than 2 ingredients that are related to a tag, I'm prompted that there are tags available that might match my needs. Since I'm looking to remove all tomatoes, I will select the option to remove all tomatoes to add the tomato-free tag. When I do that, it's applied within the tags field. If you'd like to avoid suggestions, simply toggle the suggestion setting off. You can also filter recipes based on calories, macronutrients, vitamins, and minerals. Click on the Nutrition tab and simply slide to adjust based on each nutrient per serving. These nutrition filters are great if you're looking for meals that are, say, high in fat, low in sugar, high in protein, or maybe even low in sodium. And that's how easy it is to search for recipes that meet your client's needs.